If you've ever wondered where Chrome hides its secret tools and experimental settings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the hidden Chrome menus, including the full list of Chrome URLs and the popular Chrome flags page. These menus can help you explore diagnostic tools, test new features, and even unlock browser options that aren't visible in the regular settings menu. Before we begin, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more quick Chrome tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and start with a new tab. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top or by using the keyboard shortcut if that's faster for you. Once the new tab is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. Now type Chrome URLs and press enter. This is the hidden page that shows you a complete list of clickable Chrome links. You'll see a long menu of different internal pages that Chrome has built in. Some of these pages are user-facing diagnostic tools, which means they are designed to help regular users check browser features, view system information, or troubleshoot issues. Others are under the For Debug section, and those are intended more for browser developers and advanced testing. Take your time scrolling through the list. This page is useful because it gives you direct access to many built-in Chrome menus without having to search through settings. If you ever need to jump into a specific internal tool, this is one of the best places to start. Now, let's move on to the most popular hidden menu in Chrome, Chrome flags. Go back to the address bar and type Chrome flags, then press enter. This opens the experimental features page where Google Chrome keeps unreleased or test features. These can include performance tweaks, new interface changes, AI-related tools, and other experimental browser updates. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the easiest way to find the exact feature you want, especially since there can be a lot of options on this page. Just type in the name of the feature or a keyword related to it, and Chrome will filter the results for you. When you find a feature, look at the drop-down menu next to it. By default, most options are set to default, which means Chrome decides whether the feature is active. If you want to turn it on, change it to enabled. If you want to turn it off, switch it to disabled. After making your changes, don't forget the final step. At the bottom of the screen, click the Relaunch button so Chrome can restart and apply the new settings. This is important because most flag changes will not take effect until the browser relaunches. One quick tip, since Chrome flags are experimental, only change features you understand. Some settings can improve performance or unlock useful tools, but others may affect stability or cause unexpected behavior. If anything goes wrong, you can always go back and reset the flag to default, and that's it. You now know how to access the hidden Chrome menus, browse the Chrome URLs list, and open Chrome flags to enable or disable experimental features. These pages give you a lot more control over your browser, and once you know where to find them, they're incredibly easy to use. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome tips and software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more hidden browser features explained next.